Oh yes, I want to finish my washdown again. What happened? Well, Percy, it looks like you literally blew up the entire water tank. Oh, okay. Ouch. Alright. Time for another washdown. Haha. Hey, why is it not shooting any water? Because Percy blew up the tank earlier today. Man, I don't want to wash down. At night. Oh yes, this prank's gonna be cool. We're gonna be able to fill up the water tank and at the same time scare Percy to get revenge on him. We got the secret water tank filled with the bull shark. And if we put it in there, Percy will be scared to bits. Ha 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 ha. Percy was way asleep. He was literally right next to the engine wash. Huh? Oh, okay. Yeah, it's gonna be a perfect prank. Okay. Look, there's the water tank. Just throw it at it. Yes, it got filled up. Ha ha ha. Ah ha 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 ha. Morning came. Man, I am feeling really dirty. Hopefully no one calls me Dirty Percy. Hey, Dirty Percy, ha ha. Hey, why don't you take a wash down, Dirty Percy, ha 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 ha. Oh, 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 oh. Okay. It was a good idea after all. Wee, ha ha, wee. Wait, he's going into the wash down. What? Ah! Oh, ah! Ah! God! Ah! Huh. Wonder what happened there. Do do do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Oh, back to the washdown again. Ah ha 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 ha. Ah ha ha ha.